this morning with this feeling inside me that I can't explain, like a weight that I've carried, been carried away. But I know something is coming. I don't know what it is, but I know it's amazing. You save me, my time is coming. I'll find my way out of this longest round. And it feels like today, I know. It feels like today, I'm sure. It's the one thing that's missing, the one thing I'm wishing, the last sacred blessing. And hey, feels like today, feels like today. Like a picture, but it's not a moment that's frozen in time. It's not gonna wait till you make up your mind at all.